In this short video, we show you the Cobase portal. To log in the portal, you need to have an app on your phone, the Cobase app. Let's continue. Now we have to scan the code on the screen with our mobile app and enter the number range. Here we see an overview of all the payments exported from Business Central to the Cobase portal. Those payments need to be approved and authorized by an officer within the company. After approval, Cobase will send the payment directly to the bank. How this works I will show you in this video. Let's see, we in the first line we have here a payment to this supplier UCPair in dollars. We can open the payment and we can look the details why we have to do this payment. We see a reference to the invoice number. We can also see if there is a batch payment sent from Business Central to the Cobase portal. In this line we see that the batch is available with the status on true here. So we can open the batch file and see the individual transactions of this batch payment. So in this case we see 4 payment lines to be paid to vendors. To approve a certain payment we can select one or more, or we can select all. We go to the sign button. We scan the code again with our mobile phone app. It shows on the app what needs to be paid. We approve on the app and we get the number range back. So the moment we enter the number range back into the system, when we approve the payment is sent by Cobase directly to the bank. So you don't need any credentials of your bank, like a pass or a random reader, to authorize this payment. This payment is directly coming from Cobase to the bank and the bank will execute the payment.